An African penguin. They are the only species of penguins that breed in Africa. They are native to the coastal areas of South Africa and Namibia. African penguins are also known for their unique braying sound, which is similar to the braying of a donkey, earning them the nickname jackass penguins. These penguins are highly adapted to life in the water, with streamlined bodies webbed fit for swimming. Webbed feet for swimming and excellent diving abilities. However, they also face significant threats such as habitat loss, overfishing and oil spills, which have led to a decline in their population. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these charismatic and endangered birds. African penguins have unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in warmer climates. They have specialized glands above their eyes that helps them regulate their body temperature. By removing excess heat, African penguins typically form large breeding colonies, with thousands of individuals nesting together. These colonies provide safety in numbers and allow for communal protection against predators. African penguins are known for forming strong monogamous pairs that last for several breeding seasons. They engage in courtship rituals such as head swinging and vocal displays to strengthen their bond.